Did you know that you're mixing your do-it-yourself hairsprays all wrong if you're not adding this one ingredient? Hey guys, this is Lena from Lena's Lovely Locks. Thanks for joining, and if this is not your first time, welcome back. Can I tell you guys a secret? Did you know that you're mixing your do-it-yourself hairsprays all wrong if you're not adding this one ingredient? So I've seen a lot of YouTubers and lock stars mention that they have their daily or their weekly do-it-yourself hairspray to moisturize your locks. But the one thing that I have not seen yet, I have not come across that video yet, I have not seen anyone mention this for their do-it-yourself hairsprays as of yet. So that's why I want to come on here and kind of let you guys know, or I guess maybe educate you guys on what you're doing wrong or what you're not doing when you're making your do-it-yourself hairsprays. So a lot of you guys like to use essential oils. That's awesome, that's great. I like personally to use things like tea tree oil. So I like to use this tea tree oil from Eden's Garden, and I love that site because all of their oils are 100% natural oils, and plus there's free shipping. So I love free shipping. I don't care if the shipping is like $3. If it's $3, I may think twice about getting that product. But if it's free shipping, yes, I'm all for it. It is a all-women's company, so there's a woman CEO, and these are just really good oils. But I digress. Back to what I was talking about. You guys are not really making your hair sprays the correct way. A lot of you guys are adding these essential oils to the water and then thinking that it's going to mix in when you shake it up, and then you spray it in your hair. And yeah, you may mix it in a little bit, but you may be getting a big drop of oil in that one spray, or you may be getting no oil at all in that one spray, because oil and water do not mix. Okay, that's science 101. Oil and water do not mix. Okay, so when you guys are adding these essential oils, because essential oils are oils, and the water, you can kind of see it floating on top, and you have to shake it up. I mean, that's the whole reason why you're shaking up, is to try to mix it up. But you guys are doing it all wrong. You have to add this one ingredient, and I'm going to tell you what this one ingredient is. This one ingredient is called polysorbate 80. Polysorbate 80. Polysorbate 80. Polysorbate 80. That's a fun word to say. Polysorbate 80. Okay, and this is what it is. And before you guys get on the chat, hold on, let me show you. Before you guys get on the chat and try to read me, please just give me a chance to explain myself. Okay, so here it is, polysorbate 80. And this is kosher. This is a kosher cosmetic. It is food grade, made for ice creams, bakery, soft drinks, bath bombs. This is something that you can put on your hair as well. And what it does is it emulsifies that oil, meaning it breaks it up. So what polysorbate is, it's a solvent, okay? And it basically dissolves that oil into the water to help it mix into the water, really well. So yes, so you need an emulsifier, and that's basically what polysorbate is. It is an emulsifier. So you don't even need a lot, just one little drop, maybe 2 drops of this. And as you can see, if you can see here, it looks kind of like an oil, the consistency of an oil. And I'm gonna open it up for you guys and dip my finger in it to show you guys what the consistency of it is. Okay, so that is the consistency. Really thin. But really thin. Okay. And so this isn't going to like clog up your pores. I mean, if you pour like the whole bottle in there, which you know you're not supposed to, this isn't going to clog up your pores or anything. It's not going to cause any buildup or anything like that. It's totally safe to use in your hair mix, and it's going to mix that essential oil into your water, you know, the correct way, and mix it in there evenly. So when you do spray your hair in the mornings or whenever you need to have your refresher, you're gonna get all the, you know, an even mix of essential oils. So, you know, some of the negative things of, you know, putting essential oils on your skin neat, and what I mean by neat is without any carrier oil by itself. You're just basically putting this essential oil on your skin, and that can cause damage, that can cause irritation, it can cause burning, it can even cause hair loss, because tea tree oil is a very strong oil. All these essential oils are very strong because one drop is like 200 plants. You know, I'm just being, you know, facetious, but seriously, one drop is a lot of plant material. So it's very, very concentrated. So you do not want those things on your scalp, irritating your scalp. You know, that's probably why some of y'all scalps itching right now, you know, and burning right now, because y'all spraying essential oils directly onto your scalp without mixing it up. You know, and I don't want that for you guys. I want you guys to have a healthy scalp, healthy locks, healthy hair. So that's why I'm trying to get this information out to you. So this is what you guys need, is a soluble and emulsifier to mix into your water mix, and it's going to help mix in that essential oil. Also, if you're just putting jojoba oil or avocado oil or olive oil in or olive oil into your water bottle mix, even how you can shake it up as much as you want, it is still not going to mix in together. You're going to get maybe globs of this oil or that oil in certain sections of your hair, or, you know, through each spray. You need to have an emulsifier, so that emulsifier is going to even help that oil evenly mix and disperse throughout that water. You get what I'm saying, guys? So that's why it is very important to add this one ingredient to your do-it-yourself hair sprays and you know, water bottles if you're adding oils, and especially essential oils, okay? So you can get this this small bottle, which will last you guys a very long time, on Amazon for about $9. I got it for $9. It came in 2 days, and I can use it in a lot of things where I need to have my liquids emulsify with my oils. Like I said, if you're into, you know, making bath bombs and, you know, things like that, soft drinks, wow, yeah, you're gonna need that, because, you know, you put essential oils in bath bombs, and you're gonna put it into water, so you want it to, you know, mix into that bath water evenly, guys. You don't want to be burned. Yeah, I just need to get this video out here, guys. Now, I'm not saying that you guys are not. It's just, I think it's important. I don't want anyone's hair getting burnt off or anything like that. It's something, you know, that's safe to use, you know, in your hair. And this is what I'm going to be using. You know, I'm going to be putting this in my do-it-yourself hair mix, because I think I have a very good recipe that calls for essential oils. I'm not going to put any thicker oils, any fatty oils like avocado oil or olive oil or jojoba oil into my mix, because I'm not putting oils into my water bottle as of yet. I am still new in my journey. I'm only 2 months locked, so I'm not looking to have any slippage. Okay, so the only thing I will be adding is distilled water, maybe a mix of rose water, and then a few different kinds of essential oils, and I will list them down below. So these are very helpful. These different oils help with different things, and I think that your hair and your scalp will benefit from it. Just remember to add polysorbate 80 or some kind of emulsifier to help your oils mix in with your H2O. Okay, friends don't let friends mix essential oils with water by itself. So you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys put in your hairspray bottles. Have you been using an emulsifier? Have you not been using an emulsifier? Are you going to start using emulsifiers? So, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later.